Very good morning, class 12. So let's have a reading for the chapter Evans Tries an O-Level, written by Colin Dexter. So I have already explained to you about it, that how Evans was in jail and he had studied German language after it's written O-Level German language, and he wanted to give the exam for it, for clearing it out. So that prison authorities arranged the paper for him, called the examination board here. So I'm reading for you. All precautions have been taken so that O-level German examination arranged in the prison for Evans does not provide him with any means of escape, so that he should not run away again. So there should be a proper precautions. It was in early March when the secretary of the examination board received a call from the Oxford prison. So governor called him, and governor said that it's an unusual request basically, because there was only one fellow who wanted to give the exam for this, right? So what he said, that's a chap called Ivan started night classes in O-level German last September. So from the month of September, he started learning the German classes at night, and now in March, there was a call for the exam. Says he was dead keen to get some sort of academic qualification. So then it was said, is he any good? So that examination board secretary asked, is he any good? Like he's one of the good student among the rest. So this governor mentioned he was the only student who was studying. So might be he had an individual talent actually. Would have cost him a packet if he had been outside. Well, let's give him a chance, shall we? So governor said if you had studied this language outside, so might be it cost him a lot of money. So secretary said, okay, we can give him a chance. That's jolly kind of you. So governor said thanks to him. What exactly the procedure? So what we can do to arrange his exams actually? So he said, don't worry, I will send you all the forms and stuff. What's his name? Evans. So he said James Roderick Evans was his name. So then he mentioned about, okay, so tell me about any record of his any violence record actually. So governor said there is no record of violence actually. He is not at all violent, but yes, he had this problem called congenital kleptomanic. He used to steal the things for no use. He had this disorder, that illness. Otherwise, he's not that much violent, we can say. And he imitate people easily. Imitations, you know the sort of thing. He's just a congenital kleptomanic, that's all. So governor was tempted. So governor wanted to add more to it, but he controlled himself. So secretary said, okay, you can arrange a room for him in your Oxford prison only. So he said, don't worry, already he's one of the separate cells. So it's decided, if you are having no objections, governor asked, then we can change his cell into that room only. As it's written, his exam would be in his cell only. So he said, okay, there is no problem, that's fine. And we would easily get one of the parsons from St. Mary Max to invigilate. And as an invigilator, we will call one of the parson. A parson is one of the holy person from the church who will come from St. Mary Mass, who will act as the invigilator for him because he would give the exam there. So he said, fine, yes. They seem to have a lot of parsons there, don't they? The two men chuckled. So they two started laughing because there were a number of parsons in that church. And secretary had a final thought. At least there is one thing, you should not have much trouble keeping him incommunicado, should you? The governor chuckled politely once more, reiterated his stance, and slowly cradled the phone, Evans. So they both had that final laugh that, okay, we are going to arrange his exam in that cell only. So you don't worry for it, we will be having everything fine. And they both started having that giggling sound because Evans was that one particular child that for him, the procedure has been a little different, and then they decided upon it. So till here we are discussing about it. In the next class, we will do the next part of the reading. So send the worksheet timely. Thank you.